Alright everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. This next recipe is going to be for a Instapot cheesecake. Not a keto cheesecake, a regular cheesecake. So, Kitty, get down. She's learning. The first thing that I did was I put some parchment paper on the bottom. And this is a 9-inch springform pan. So let's get started. So this calls for 10 graham crackers, finely chopped. So I have 9. We'll see what it looks like. I might do 2 sleeves, which would be 18. I am going to go ahead and do both packs. Okay, I've melted 1 stick of butter. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to pour this right in and mix it up. Been below freezing. We've been in the minus. There's a fly in the house today. How does that work? Alright, we're going to pour this in our springform pan. Then we're going to press it down. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next we're going to do 2/3 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. And then a dash of sugar. A dash of salt. We'll mix this up. You also want to make sure that all of your ingredients are at room temperature. So this is 16 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to go ahead and cube it. We'll put it in the bowl. So my mixer is crapping out on me. One of the little blades won't stay in of all times. So we're just going to mix this for 10 seconds and hopefully this thing don't fly off. 10 seconds on low. Just to break it up. Yeah, that worked really well. Alright, so we're going to add half of the sugar mixture. This says to do it with a hand mixer and incorporate. press is not turning out well. Next, we're going to add a half a cup of sour cream. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla. And then we're going to, hopefully this thing stays in. Okay. Next, we're going to put our 2 eggs in. That's it. Look at that. This thing is toast. All right. What a mess. Now we want to pour the batter in. If this wasn't Joe's only request for Christmas dinner, I would have given up. So I also added some aluminum foil to it. That'll keep the water off of the top of it while it's steaming. Now this is going to be the tricky part, getting it down in here. Ta-da! Now, okay. Go. You want to turn your venting knob to the sealing position. Plug it in. Hopefully I remember how to do this. Okay, so it's set at 29 already. So then we'll leave it alone. Now it's going to do its thing. I removed the cheesecake. It looks pretty good. It's got an extra thick crust, and I think that it was lopsided. So, we'll see. I stuck my finger in it before it was set, so I'll make the toppings later, fresh.